Tanya and welcome back to my channel, period. So I have a wig review today brought to you by Nadula Amazon. They sent me over a wig. It's a 13x4 lace unit. Okay, so these are also some of the things that they sent along with the unit. They sent me some goodies, a HD wig cap, some press-on nails, and a wig band or lace melting band. And here is the unit. So this is the wig. She's a gorgeous 13x4 transparent lace unit. And she's 22 inches long. I already got my ball cap ready. Y'all know this is what the lace looks like. And the hairline is already pre-plucked, so I don't have to go in and pluck it. The knots are already bleached. This is basically beginner friendly. It comes with 2 combs behind the lace, a comb in the back, and adjustable band on the inside. It also has some extra lace in the back in case you want to put this unit up and an updo. So this is the hair quality. It's very much bouncy, does not have a smell. And she's 22 inches. So I'm going to go ahead. I have my ball cap already ready. I'm going to go ahead and install her with you guys. Alright, so I'm back with the install. This is me just putting the wig on my head. I did not pluck her. See how good this hairline looks? I think in 2024, I'm not going to be doing no crazy plucking. Like, my natural hairline ain't that plucked anyways. But she looks good, and I'm just basically customizing the lace and the hairline to fit around my ears. This lace was crazy long, so I couldn't see what I was doing, so I just shortened it. And y'all know when I do my lace frontal installs, I cut the lace off beforehand, before gluing it down, because this, you know, also helps me to reuse the wig over and over again. And also to wear it glueless if I want to wear it glueless one day. So I am trying this new wig glue that I got from Shein. I am a Shein girl, and I saw this, and the reviews were pretty good. So I decided to try it out. It is a bit more runny than I'm used to, which I don't know. I was kind of scared, like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to put a bunch of extra layers. I did 3 layers, and she stayed pretty well. She stayed pretty okay. I was testing it right there because it didn't seem that sticky, but she dried down pretty tacky, and I will say I did have to apply the glue again on the edges, like on the second day. So she's not my favorite. She's a good glue for some quick installs and you don't want to waste your good glue on it. But other than that, I'm sticking to my Bold Hold, y'all. That's my favorite wig glue nowadays. I will say this one did not cause any irritation or itchiness like the Ghost Bond. I will never use Ghost Bond again. I just had like the worst reaction from that lace glue. But I'm just pressing it into the glue and touching up some spots where I missed with the original glue lay down. But yeah, just some specs about this wig. It is 150 density. The length I have is 22 inches, and I absolutely love this color. I did have a couple of synthetic wigs that were this color, and I would wear those back to back. But now I believe like it was a popular color in 2023. So you can easily find this color, but it's perfect for brown skin, dark brown skin. As you can see, I'm like on the lighter side of dark skin, but it's a pretty color for me either way. So once I didn't show you guys, but I did put the lace melting band on for like 15 minutes. So now I'm taking my foundation and going over the edge of the lace again. And then I'm going to take my Eben lace melting spray. I believe I think this is the lace melting spray. Spray that on. And only thing I didn't like about this is that it caused the edge of the glue to come up. And that's not even the product, it's the glue. The glue is just not a tacky glue. If you aren't looking for a long-lasting hold for your glue, get this from Shein. It's very cheap. But I'm going ahead and installing my baby hairs. I'm going to cut them and then curl them. And before I actually lay them down, I'm going to go ahead and go in and curl this wig. But this hair took really well to my flat irons. I will say there are no filler hairs. If you are familiar with like the lower end human hair wigs, sometimes they'll put filler synthetic hairs into the wig. This one does not have any of that. She is definitely truly 100% human. The hair took very well. I should have plucked some of the parting space, but whatever. You can always just put some concealer into your part to make it more defined. But I'm just prepping the wig right now, and then I'm gonna go in and curl her with my flat iron. I usually don't curl with my flat iron, but I'm trying to get used to that, guys, because nobody feel like taking out all these tools to do their hair. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with my BioSilk. This is my tried and true BioSilk. It helps to contain the frizzies and smooth the hair out so as you get a flawless curl. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you are a continued subscriber, thank you for returning and always supporting me. If you're new here and you like watching videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I make new content. Also follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram. I do post more reels and photos when I review a wig, so you can get more views of the wig and you'll also get to know me a little bit better. So yeah, this flat iron I'm using is a T3. It is very popular now amongst a lot of like hairdressers. This particular brand is like coming up. I really do love this flat iron. It gets the job done and it works great on my human hair wigs to not fry them or damage the wigs. Okay guys, so you can go ahead and watch me finish curling this wig and finishing off the baby hairs. Stay tuned at the end for my final thoughts, and the link to purchase this wig will be in the description box. guys, I'm back and I hope you enjoyed that install. This is from Nadula Amazon. Of course, I will put the link in the description box so that you can purchase it for yourself. Overall, I love this unit. It was so easy as far as installing like the usual typical lace front wigs. The lace was transparent lace, so it was easily blended. The knots were bleached and the hairline was already pre-plucked. So all I had to do was install her. The hair curled very easily, and there's no filler hairs at all in this wig. I noticed that with some Amazon wigs, like the cheap ones, you can notice filler hairs because when you put the hot iron on it, you can see it sizzling. No, this doesn't have any filler hairs at all, so you're getting 100% real human hair with this unit. This is a 22-inch, and this is how far it comes down on me. I'm only 5'2", guys, so y'all know that's typically like when I want to wear long hair, I get 22 to 24 inches. 26 and longer, that's long. 26 and over, that's long for me, so I really don't, mess with that length too often. But yeah, I definitely would highly suggest this unit if you're looking for a pretty ginger color. This color is so pretty on my skin. I can never pass it up anytime this color is presented to me. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok because you'll see more videos or me describing the wig and showing you the wig. So follow me on TikTok and Instagram where I'll post more pictures. Yeah, I hope you like it. Tell me what you think in the description box below. Thanks for watching and stay blessed. Bye.